let me get to this trim. Right now, I done cut a few pieces all around here. Went ahead and cut those down there also. I'm gonna glue these down. The only reason I'm not nailing it because behind it is a brick wall and the wood that's back there, I'm pretty sure it ain't even gonna hold it. I'm just gonna go ahead and use some power grab, put that on there, and then it'll seal pretty tight. So some real good adhesive. The same thing with down there. So I went ahead and pre-cut those. I need to get back to work. I'm trying to finish this joint today so I can move on to some other stuff. So we gotta do that, and then after that, I got my other sister to go and do some work for her to get her salon up running in her basement. Then it's gonna be tush our stuff. It's just a whole lot of stuff we got. So just stay tuned for the video. But let me get to this trim. Turn back on my beats, listen to some top back roll, and get it going. All right, so I got the trim down. It should look a little better, but we still need more trim. We have a commercial inspection that we gotta do. Oh my gosh.
This was video worthy.
What you fixing under there, though?
I fixing.
What?
With this, my car.
You got, what you doing, oil change? You gotta get that transmission up out of there? I got it. But right now I'm about to touch up this mud that's on this front wall here. It's late, but I don't care. I need to finish this shit. I'm tired of being here. About to cut up this trim. Got a whole stack of it right here. Had to go to a different Home Depot. So I'm about to get cutting this up, putting this down, and getting up out of here. We should be Gucci. We got the trailer pulled up with a bunch of trash, so we're gonna have to go to the dump to get rid of that stuff. But that's cool, I'm ready to go. And I gotta drop my screen door that I got for a really good deal. This is a $300 screen door that I got for $150 at Home Depot. Probably was missing, it was missing like the screws and stuff, but I got screws. That's going to our next project. Look at these doors, man. Actually really good. Set it off. I'm about to just start caulking all this trim right here. Do that so when Ray comes, she can paint the whole trim and all that stuff will be good. When we were standing up wood, they were doing her work. Let's go. You can do it. Yes, you can. Keep going. Oh!
I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow away. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. Think she in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way.
So what are you building? An obby. Y'all built a house over there, but oh dang, took the house down.
Right here?
Yep. Yeah.
I can't go. Oh.
And be alive.
Hey, Mama.
Can you get back, honey? Can you move? Dude, you disrespectful. Now, do you see all that mess you just made? So how could you have corrected that? Maybe you could have had the board actually back there so the paint wouldn't get through.
I did.
You think? No, you didn't. Because I saw it. Artie, why your butt look like that? I don't know what kind of pain you been doing, homie.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. Think she in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way.
Okay, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like, and always know if you want more art life, go to ARTTlife.com.